Hello and welcome back, dear friends, to GSL Horizon. This is Gulshan Singh presenting today complete pronoun classes part 4, which is our last classes. Dear friends, this video is going to be more interesting, so please like, share, and subscribe, or also support to GSL. Dear friends, without wasting any time, comes to our point. Dear friends, rule number 7. It tells us about relative pronoun. Dear friends, relative pronoun is one which relates a clause, which relates a clause or phrases, which relates a clause or phrases. Dear friends, relative pronoun is one which relates a clause or phrases to a noun or a pronoun. As example, you can understand who, which means Joe. He is the one who can make the best decision for himself. Dear friends, who and whom are used for humans in subjective and objective cases respectively, as you know. Okay, dear friends. So comes to the relative pronoun with whom, which means जिसको. Dear friends, I have a baby whom I love very much. Means मेरे I have a baby. मेरे पास एक बच्चा है whom I love very much, जिसको हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं. Okay, dear friends. Dear friends, he is the man whom everybody thinks is a gentleman. Dear friends, in this in these types of pronoun, we relates clause or phrases to a noun or pronoun. Okay, dear friends, like man, which is a noun or a pronoun, he relates themselves. Okay, dear friends. So comes to the next one, relative pronoun which. Relative pronoun which is used for all except humans. Which it is used for all except humans. Dear friends, which does not used with humans. Okay, dear friends, remember it. It used with animal, non-living case of choice, but not with humans. Okay, dear friends, as example, the mother knows which of their children is naughty. Okay, dear friends. In this condition, there have a case of choice. The mother knows which of their children is naughty. Means mother choices. Known their mother knows that which one of them their children is naughty. The cat which is about last year died. In this case, the cat is animal, so we use which with it. Now comes to the next one, relative pronoun whose. Dear friends, relative pronoun whose is used in possessive case. It is used in possessive case. Like, dear friends, whose book is this? Means it shows possession. It shows possession or relation. But it shows possession and relation with someone. The dog whose color was white is dangerous. Okay, it gives a relation with someone. Dog whose color is white is very dangerous. Dear friends, now comes to the rule number 8. Dear friends, in this rule we read either, neither, each other. These are used for two people. These are used for two people. None, any, one another. These are used for more than two people. These are used for more than two people. Dear friends, you and I like each other. This is an example in which we use two people. You and I like each other. In this case, we use two people and related with each other. Second example is either you or he is culprit. In this case, we relate you and he. All of the students hate one another. So dear friends, in this case, there are more than two people, students. So all of the students hate one another. So we use one another. Dear friends, she has four serving, but none of them was there. Dear friends, it becomes more than two people, so we use none. Okay, dear friends, now comes to the next one. Rule number 9. Dear friends, use of apostrophe s in pronoun. One should keep one's promise. One should keep one's promise. And you should keep yours promise. We use apostrophe s in pronoun. Okay, friends. Now comes to rule number 10. When two singular nouns combined with and before both nouns there is the use of each and every, then we will use singular pronoun and singular verb. Dear friends, when in any sentence there have come each, every, either, neither. Okay, friends, then we use singular pronoun and singular verb. Remember it, dear friends. As example, every officer and each clerk has joined his duty. In this sentence, has, which is singular. Okay, dear friends. Now comes to the next one. Rule number 11. Use of it and its. It and this. Use of this for name of any person or thing. We use this like this is a bike, this is a new car, this is biggest news channel, this is Priyanka Agrawal, etc. Dear friends, use of it. Natural, incidents, non-living things, small animals, indications, young ones, time, weather, etc. We use it with these. Okay, natural thing, incidents, non-living things, small animals, indications, young ones means a small baby, time and weather. We use it like it is 7 o'clock. It tells us about time. It is raining. It tells about weather. It is a sunny day. It tells us about weather. This is a new table. This is non-living thing. This is a beautiful sparrow. This is a small animal. So dear friends, we use it with these. Okay dear friend. So please remember it and learn. Okay dear friends, and learn. Now comes to the next one. Question number 1. Let you and I go to play. How to correct it? Let you and me go to play. Okay. There is close relation between he and I. How to correct it? There is a close relation between him and I. Sorry, him and me. So it becomes sentence correct. Now comes to question number third. I and you are strangers. I and you are strangers. I, which is first person, you second, but we use 2-3-1 rule. Okay, you and I are strangers. It becomes sentence correct, and this one is wrong. Question number 4. You, he, and I must beg sorry for the misconduct. It becomes sentence correct. So we correct it by using I, you, and he must beg sorry for the misconduct. It becomes our sentence correct. Now comes to question number 5. Neither of these four vehicles will do that work. Then we correct it with none of these four vehicles will do that work. Now comes to the next one. One should take care not to make himself obnoxious to others. One should take care not to make oneself obnoxious to others. It becomes our sentence correct. Okay. Now comes to next one. Question number 7. Each girl and each madam tried their best to finish the work before 7 p.m. Each girl and every madam tried her best to finish the work before 7 p.m. Now comes to question number 8. Every leader and every citizen have a duty towards their country. It becomes wrong. Making it correct by using every leader and every citizen has a duty toward the country, towards his country. Question number 9. The cow has hurt their legs. Hurt her legs. We use the cow has hurt its legs. Question number 10. It is to certify that Mr. Praveen is our employee. So it becomes sentence incorrect. This is to certify that Mr. Praveen is our employee. Okay, Mr. Praveen is our employee. This is to certify. Okay. Question number 11. This is 8 o'clock by my watch. It is 8 o'clock by my watch. It is wrong, and this makes the sentence correct. Now comes to question number 12. It was me who telephoned you yesterday. It was I who telephoned you yesterday. It becomes sentence correct. Question number 13. My house is bigger than theirs. It becomes wrong. My house is bigger than theirs. It becomes right. Question number 14. This is a secret between you and I. It becomes our sentence incorrect. Then correct one is this is a secret between you and me. Question number 15. Everyone should obey their parents. Everyone should obey their parents. Everyone should obey his parents. Practice questions. Each of the employees have arranged their own vehicles. Who are the girls which came to meet you? I always purchase the items which is best in the market. He, you, and I must do my work. Ram and Syam help to one another. These are the practice questions. So you solve it ASPA. ASAP as soon as possible. And comment us on our telegram. This is their answers. Okay. So dear friends, thanks for watching. This is our telegram channel. So join it and WhatsApp us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye friends.